Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome to Be Inspired. You are in the best part of YouTube learning channel and we are learning about Vedic Math. Nothing but how to learn maths very easily. If you want to become topper of your class or if you want to be always first in maths, then just follow Be Inspired. Before getting into the topic, please share, like, subscribe my channel. So in the previous class we just learned about 2-digit by 2-digit mismatch combinations and in the last just 1 or 2 match combinations we just checked. So now we are going to learn a 3-digit by 3-digit match combinations, how to solve 3-digit by 3-digit match combinations. Because subtractions are not very small, or a single digit, 2-digit with single digit will not get like this, right? So we have to solve along with that. So try to solve this as simple as that, but the procedure is same. Just you have to go from right to left, sorry, left to right, not from right to left like how we will solve in the school method. So first we will know that 7 minus 4 is 3 and 1 minus 8 is mismatch. So the complement of 8 is 2, so we'll just add 1 plus 2 is 3, and again the complement of 8 is 2, 0 plus 2 is 2. But it is a mismatch combination. We'll write here and we'll write here previous numbers. So the answer is 222. Okay, now I'll write here 304 minus 165. So as you all know that by seeing the next digit you know it is a mismatch combination. So first 3 minus 1 is 2, but we'll not write 2, we'll write 1. The complement of 6 is 4, so we'll add 4 for 0 and the answer is 4. But we will not write 4 because as 4 minus 5 is a mismatch combination and 5 plus 4 is 9. So the answer is 139. In this way you are going to solve. Okay. So now we will solve 900 minus 175. As the place is not sufficient, so I am copying the question down and I am writing my own. So 9 minus 1 is 8. It is mismatch. So we will write 7. And the complement of 7 is 3. So we will write 3 here. But as it is a mismatch combination in the second also, we should not write 3. And the complement of 5 is 5, so we will write the answer is 725. Right? We will just go for some more questions like this. We'll try to solve this. Okay, now I'll try to solve in the same place itself. And 2 minus 1 is 1, but it is mismatch, so we'll write 0. And the complement of 2 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, but 7 minus 8 is a mismatch combination, so 7 plus 2 is 9. Like this we should write. As we all know that 7 minus 6 is 1 and 1 minus 9, mismatch combination, so the complement of 9 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. But we will not write 2 because, we will not write 1 here because 0, the mismatch combination, 7 minus 2 is 5. So the answer is 0 to 5. I'll solve this here, 296 minus 252. 2 minus 2, 0, 9 minus 5, 4, 6 minus 2, 4. Because it is match combination, we can do it directly. And here 500 minus 153. As we all know that these two are mismatch combinations, so we will not write the previous number. We will not write the same number, we will write the previous numbers, right? So the answer is 347. 777 minus 717, as it is all our match combinations, so we can write directly the answers. 800 minus 356. So these two are zeros, so these two are mismatch combinations, so we should not write 5 and we'll write 5 here and we'll write 4 here and we'll write 4 here. Right? So we'll solve some more questions like this. 847 minus 781. As it is mismatch combination, we will not write 1, we will write the previous number of 1 is 0 and the complement of 8 is 2, 4 plus 2 is 6. As it is match combination, so we can write the number directly. 7 minus 1 is 6. So the answer is 66. Now we will solve this 490 minus 252. I already said that you have to be perfect in the complements, then only it will be easy for us to solve these questions. 4 minus 2 is 2 because 9 minus 5 is a match combination, so we can write the number. As 0 minus 2 is mismatch, so we'll write before number. 9 minus 5 is 4, but I'll write 3. and the complement of 2 is 8. 0 plus 8 is 8. How much perfect your complements, that much perfection you'll get here. Nothing more than that. See here, 543 minus 531, it is full of match combinations. So you can write it very easily. There is no problem in this. And these are zeros, so both are mismatch combinations. So we will not write the previous numbers. Sorry, we will not write the same numbers. We have to write the previous numbers. As 6 minus 2 is match combination, so we will write 5 minus 1 is 4, 6 minus 2 is 4. And 0 minus 4 is mismatch, so we will not write 4 here. We will write 3. And for complement of 4 is 6, so 0 plus 6 is 436. 7 minus 6 is match combination, so 4 minus 4 0, 7 minus 6 1, and whereas 8 minus 9 is mismatch, so that is the reason it is also become 0. And for the complement of 9, 9 is 1 and 8 plus 1 is 9. And this one, 7 minus 3 is match combination, so 9 minus 4 is 5, and 7 minus 3 is 4, but 0 minus 9 is mismatch, so we will not write 4, we will write 3. And the complement of 9 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. As 9 minus 5 is a match, so we can write directly, but 0 minus 2 mismatch, so we will not write 4, we will write the before number. The complement of 2 is 8, 0 plus 8 is 8, so the answer is 238. In this way you can solve the match combinations and mismatch combinations. I hope you all understand today's class. Wear masks, save lives, stop corona. Be Inspired salutes you to the coronavirus helpers. Thank you. Thanks for watching.